Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP OfficeJet Pro 8210 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to insert A4 paper card on this device. So I'll show you how to insert A4 paper card, but of course you can use the same instruction to insert other types of paper inside your printer. So firstly, you just need to open the paper tray. So I'll show you. Wait a while. So here you have the paper input. So just take it out, drag it, and take it out. Cool. Here we have the paper tray, and as you can see, now I'll show you. Wait for it. And as you can see, here we have the different blue buttons and what we can do using these buttons. So now I'll explain you it all. So firstly, here as you can see, we have the element that can help us to insert smaller paper cards, smaller than A4. And here we have the other one. So, but I don't understand how it works. Okay, here I don't know how to show you this part, maybe in this way. Here, if you will press on this button, you can make the tray longer. As you can see, in this way you can make this tray longer, but you will not be able to close it. Of course it will work, but you can't close your tray in this way. So you will need to press on this button and make your tray smaller again, and in this way you will be able to close it. Then here, as you can see, we have another one blue button. By clicking it, you can change the weight of the paper cards you wanna insert. In this way, for example, you can insert envelopes. So you need to change it to the envelope size, for example, and in this way you can insert envelopes here, and you will print envelopes in this way. But if you want to insert A4 card, so you just need to make it wider, insert A4 paper card inside, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.